Okay, today we're gonna do chicken cordon bleu. I'm gonna put some oil in the pan, let it warm up. And I have clean chicken breast, half each. And as soon as it's warm, I'm just gonna put them down and get them browned. I'm gonna start putting chicken breast. So there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna brown it. Okay, let's check. This is good. Yeah, just enough color. This one there. This one off. I'm going to put on the fish right now, and then I'm going to cover those in breadcrumbs once I finish the recipe. Okay, that's it. This one is good. I'm going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. I'm going to cover it, and then I'll put it in the pan. And with the ribbons. Just a little bit. And put that other fish in. This one here. Yeah. On the oil, I'm adding just a couple of garlic, just for flavor. Because then this oil we're going to pour over the chicken after. I cut it and put the ham and cheese on there. Okay, I'm going to put a slit on each breast, just big enough so we can put a piece of ham in there. On each piece of breast, we're going to roll a slice of ham and put it into the slot that we made. Put that on everyone. Put this one here. Okay. Next, we're going to do provolone cheese, fold it in two, and place it on top of each breast. On top of this, we're going to pour that oil with the garlic. Okay, we're going to pour that garlic with the oil that we did before. Sprinkle a little bit of the breadcrumbs. Cover with foil. And put in a preheated oven at 350 until the heat is melted. Let me check. No. 5 more minutes. We'll take it out. Okay, we're going to take one piece out. Show you how it looks. Oops. I'm going to cut it in half. I don't know if you can see it, but we serve it with broccoli, which I just oiled and put just a little bit of olive oil. That's it. And it's a meal.